Mobi Biara Aquaba Ediba Attention TV so I some Jimmy just say I'm so for a Gianna this year Akosia say I'm powerful bracket men I'm the attention trading issue to Medino Eba Abesomo Ebusian for in some Sisi Wagana papa and the same a year in a bra Kevin Taylor I didn't send me about the two just saying idea wa betwe Adonko bitters dwumako na yede abo for my Adonko bitters nyina ye papa doctor Kwaku Oteng eda no obetwe se dwumako no abofom ebusuafo ye nko ne nko video.
I'm a very nice person. I'm a very principled person. I respect people. I always make sure that I give people second chances. This time, I'll set the record straight and I'll send a message to Dr. Kwaku. I'll let him understand that what I have is bigger than what he thinks. And sometimes it's always good to let people think less of you. Tonight, I have a message for Dr. Kwaku and the Angel Group of Companies. And Kofoa Besho Dabi, me mubiading. Muba bre. Muba bre minimum cool mentokwa ba minimum cool, and people should know this by now. I don't like to fight anyhow, but I know how to fight because me no knockout nkwana mepe me gina ring mu 4 rounds 5 rounds me need that time no anya panyan na ese me ko jab panyan na me ko jab panyan na me ko. I don't have time to be doing this and going back and doing that. I don't do that. Me brema panyan na ko apa and I say to me my daisy into the biology sem gina ring mu I me bob knockout we any numbers we na me pia na the gina ring mu Kevin tell and the me bono one me samai na ekun me tell light ko Inti Jandam Negu, but and I have a message for Angel FM. There was a time I came on my platform and I'm catching a Ghana for say Nana ya brefo become asem. Nana ya brefo a Kwaku na employ no or ye jumama Kwaku. So oka asem fa me ho whether on Kwaku platform or not on Kwaku platform, I can choose to respond to her through Kwaku. Me makachi anko for say me pentokwa but minimum. When anybody from Angel Group of Companies uses Kwaku platform to speak about me, I'll hold the throat of Kwaku. Won't hear me. Me say, and you see, sometimes people think say me I don't respect people. Me tiny pa Kwaku Makanwa has several times. I have spoken with him on phone before, and I will not disrespect him. Maka me need din komo okukwam. I'm going to say this today. I didn't want to say it, but Rebecca, the first day I'm Dr. Kwaku didn't come. Make sure the respect I have for Dr. Kwaku mekan in there. Send a Mr. T na people who understand me. Yeah, Kevin tell me who am mujabo, me wa mama, me wa papa, me we busia, me nye roboto. But sometimes no, meaning the reason why I answer sometimes I am me Jimmy. I'm going to tell you people something today. The first time I talked to Dr. Kwaku, she sat on Angel and spoke about me. That was the first time I talked to Dr. Kwaku on phone. And in a conversation, it kept up. So catch them say, Kevin, you say I wuntina meba Francisca enya the first appointment as a minister. I am not going to lie about what Kwaku has said to me. And I'm so, say, what happened? And also, unim say Adonko scandal been a year from the beginning of the year, no, it affected her chances of getting a ministerial position. Anything I'm about in a ministerial position. If you say the president had considered her, I did Adonko scandal first about Francisca Oteng, na yet chairman na ne papa Adonko conflict of interest. O man ne papa contract near the other. I was the first person to break that story with facts. Me chamo, it was a kwasiebe to social media kasa Kevin Taylor. Me chamo sa the number of people I talk to in Ghana. Me ya debi. Me chire me chire ni nyina me chire kakrebi. Out of respect, when Dr. Kwaku told me that, and this is something I have never done in my life, and I'm going to say it, and I've told my team before. After Dr. Kwaku said that, out of respect, I told him, say, I would delete that scandal from all my platforms. And when you go on all my platforms, that scandal I did on Francisca Oteng, it is not there. I deleted that scandal for good. Me nye big da in my life. So ask me why I did that. Because of the respect I have for the man. Because I'm small boys, small girls. And I'm going to say, when you're 1,000 Ghana be a munti. Out of respect I have for Dr. Kwaku, and that thing he told me, I said, say, you know something, I will delete it. If that's going to be happy, going to make you happy. I did it for him. Me wouldn't da. He's not my friend. But it was through the same Nanaya Abrefuwe and Mamebe Frey Kwaku and Kasai. He showed me respect. I will not say anything. And then he showed me respect. Always catch me. When you cheer me. He showed me respect. And I called him dad on phone. On what to my friend said, oh, dad. That is how I called him. And I spoke to him. So I went out there and I deleted it. Adonko scandal. All my platforms, you don't see it. Me be that in my life. But I respect that man. So, nana ya brefo saba biem. What did you expect me to do? I was supposed to send a message to Dr. Kwaku. Me, when you come after me, I will come after your source of blood. That's how I fight. When I start to fight, I don't no want to call. I'll come, baby. I'll mojani free no honameti. I will hold the throat of your blood source and I'll bite it off. Nana ya abrefu mini abema Jimmy no hono, and I sent a message to Dr. Kwaku. Said, sir, me Jimmy sao. Talk to your people because nana ya abrefu na yes ade na me mawo me be kan asam ne kireo. And out of respect, I deleted your daughter's cat.
I was for you na ya ko akotie anase ya kwa ko share video and they say na Kwaku tela ede etu eja say obetwen ya Adonko bites dwumako no abofom. Master will say your social media handles na ebusia for comment like and share na afoforo hu ne ma pa attention for your woman on my Ghana. Me am J-Bre the attention trading issue dwumade no ebeso mo edi am just why aduana de share akosua say wa am powerful bracket too. Ai makram.